Welcome everyone. And then kumusta ang lahat? Hope you're having a very good Friday night in the Philippines or anywhere around the globe. Have a very good Friday. And then of course, welcome in. We want to welcome you in for our free live webinar in collaboration with Amaze Nation. We are here, of course, to mentor, to coach you, to give you all the information that we have so you can also be successful if you're interested to become a seller on Amazon. I'm going to be your host for the whole duration of the presentation. It's going to take at least an hour for my slide presentation. And then after my slides, you are more than welcome to give us your questions and then we will respond accordingly. Ipunin lahat ang mga katanungan. Andito kami, andyan si Coach Angel, Coach Jelay for the whole presentation dito ngayong gabi. And of course, kung meron tayong mga input or anything, you're more than welcome. So again, we want to welcome everyone kung saan kayo nanonood. We want to give you a proper shout out and salamat sa oras para sa inyo. And then this is all for you. And then I'm so excited to be your host and giving you all about Amazon selling US. Okay, so saan kayo ngayon nanonood? And let us know. And then we're gonna say hi to everyone. Okay, from Qatar. Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, kung saan man kayo nanonood, okay? Who else? Mga
Davao.
taga Davao, Saudi,
Uy,
Riyadh,
may
Bicol.
Bicol!
Taga
Zapran,
Bicol din ako.
Revilla,
Oo.
Bicol.
Taga Legazpi, okay. City of Naga, Bicol din, Cebu, Bacoor, Pasig, okay. KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, no?
Ang daming Middle East.
Oo nga. Marami rin kaming estudyanteng taga Middle East, actually. Taguig, South
UAE.
Korea. Hi! Hi, Joel.
Oh!
Joel, nanonood sa amin yan ng every Thursday. Batangas, UAE.
Oh!
Oo. Ayan, salamat.
Avid
Ang da-
fan.
ang dami. Okay, masaya tong discussion natin. And then marami ang mga active participants. And salamat sa pag-open ng camera ninyo. I appreciate it. At least meron akong nakikitang kausap. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing my screen. I hope you can see my screen now, no? Let me know
Yep,
kung
yep.
loud and clear at maganda ang aking screen. Coach Jalay?
Yes. Clear ang
Okay.
screen, ang share screen, clear ang audio. How about you guys?
Okay? Nakikita?
Is that
Okay.
is that Bing? As in how to pronounce Bing? All right. Sabi ni Bing, all right daw.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so again, welcome in for our free live webinar. And then this topic would focus more on Amazon selling wholesale. Okay, I'm going to be talking a lot more about Amazon, a lot about selling on Amazon and what are the business models and how you can be successful, how we can find profitable products to resell in Amazon. And what is Amazon basically? Okay, so this is a success guide for the wholesale market. And of course, being on Amazon, you can be your own boss. Okay? So this is a perfect business opportunity na pwedeng-pwede kahit kanino and you own your own business and at the same time you are managing your own business as a boss, as a business owner, as a CEO. Okay? So ganyan ang ating atmosphere for the whole duration for this one. We're gonna be our own boss in our own businesses. Okay? So this is the opportunity as I have mentioned, no? This is the perfect business opportunity for everyone, okay? For everyone that is looking for something na either side hustle or replacement of their full-time job or baka may mga alternatives tayo for retirement, then this is the opportunity. And this is my question to all of you. Why selling on Amazon the single best place for any new online sellers to make money, to make dollars? Okay, bakit ang Amazon? Bakit natin naisip na okay, maganda to or interesado ako diyan or I'm excited to know more. And then, of course, Amazon it is. Sino ang nakapag-shopping na kay Amazon? Taas ang kamay. Okay? Or have heard about Amazon US. Okay? Or may mga kamag-anak dito na, of course, buying from Amazon and then pinapadala sa Philippines. Sino yung mga yon? Okay? Tingnan nga natin kung may nag-chat. Coach Lalay. Yan, hindi ko nakikita ang chat. Okay,
Si Tirso. Si
ayan.
Paulo sa Amazon Saudi Arabia. Oh,
May Amazon
Middle
sa,
East.
yeah. Oo. So anyway, with that, thank you for sa mga responses, no? So very familiar din tayo, okay? We have heard, we have heard of Amazon. And right now, that is the biggest and largest e-commerce giant in the world right now and the biggest marketplace. So ibig sabihin, 85% or 90% of which US consumers buy their products everyday stuff, everyday things of what they need, of what they want in Amazon. So that's why it became the number one e-commerce giant in the world right now. Lahat doon nagbumibili ng tissue paper, water, paper towels, food, toys, electronics, books. So kahit anong pangangailangan ng US consumers or shoppers dito sa US, lahat doon, dependent kami, okay? Highly dependent kami kay Amazon. You would be amazed, di ba? You would be amazed na, oh gosh, ganyan ka-convenient si Amazon, ganyan kadali mag-order, ganun kasimple at kabilis si Amazon. So that's why, it's no doubt na siya ang number one na marketplace, okay? So, si Amazon for right now is, of course, leading industry for e-commerce. Kasi, unang-una, okay? Unang-una, sino ang hindi ma-excite na kaka-order ko lang ngayong araw, posibilidad na nandiyan na rin yung item ko within the day. It's either yung mga mabibigat na items, mga pet supplies, mga food items, or cat food, dog food, or 1 kilong bigas, or 25 kilos of rice, diyan pwedeng mag-order and then within the day, andyan na yung delivery. Okay? And sino ang hindi ma-excite din na pagka libre siya, free shipping siya sa lahat ng items. You don't have to pay for any shipping regardless kung ilan ang na-shop mo for the day, okay? Or for the month, lahat siya libre. So, yun. So, kaya siya nagiging favorite shopping marketplace of everyone. Okay? Kaya, ayan, may mga memes ba na nakita ako na when ito yung mga jokes ba na every doorstep ng sa US is ang dami-dami ang makikita mo na ngayon, hindi na mga mails or mga sulat ba. Ang nakikita na sa doorstep or sa mailbox is puro Amazon envelopes, boxes, kasi puro shopping ang nangyayari. Kasi sino pa hindi matutuwa na hindi ka na magsha-shop outside and then it can be delivered to your own doorstep anytime. So more of Amazon's information and statistics. In 2024, it became, of course, the value has reached $577 billion. And it continues to be getting stronger as every month, every single day, because of course, US consumers have the power of buying capacity sa Amazon. So dyan, especially during the pandemic, it really have shifted kung ano yung consumerism. So ibig sabihin, nung pandemic, nagkaroon sila ng experience. I'm sure dyan din sa Pilipinas, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic lockdown, walang ibang choice, hindi tayo makakalabas. So na parang nagkaroon tayo ng learning experience na mag-order sa Lazada, sa Shopee, and then 'di ba marami na din diyang Grab, Uber Eats. So, nung na-experience natin yon na parang okay, napaka convenient, napaka practical, And, walang hassle ba? Okay, so same thing with Amazon. And it continues to grow with every consumers. Okay, so that's why we have these statistics. And over 300 million worldwide prefer Amazon for online shopping. There's so many countries right now na meron si Amazon, and then of course they prefer that over other e-commerce websites. And 80% of US users shop on Amazon for its fast, free shipping. Okay? And in 2023, independent sellers, okay, ibig sabihin, a lot of us, Amazon is inviting a lot of resellers to come to their platform. So, of course, there's a market demand for Amazon. So, in with what I have shown you earlier, ang daming mga bumibili. So, but then again, Amazon, with that, hindi nila ma-fulfill so much for all the US buyers or clients or customers. So they're inviting everyone to become sellers for their platform. Okay? So it's true that everyone can sell on Amazon. Everyone, regardless of where you live, regardless if you're not living in the US, or no requirements needed for this specific business model. Okay, we're gonna talk more about it during the later slides. Okay, and 60% of Amazon sales are generated by independent sellers. Okay, tayo yon, yung mga potential or mga interested na sellers for Amazon, 60% of which nagko-comprise ng kabuuan na nagbebenta kay Amazon. Okay, so iisipin mo, akala ko dati, si Amazon lang yung nagbebenta ng mga produkto nila. Okay, dito sa slide na pinakita ko earlier, okay, kala ko lahat yan, kunyari sabihin ko, TV or whatever, and then may mga Hello Kitty, magnesium supplements, tapes, ink. So, akala ko noon, si Amazon lang ang nagbebenta lahat noon. When I started a few, years ago, and then ngayon, 60% mas mataas na yung number of sellers na nagbebenta kay Amazon, independent or third-party sellers na nagbebenta kay Amazon, which is kami yon or tayo yon potentially na, tayo na yung nagbebenta for them para doon sa mga US Amazon buyers nila. Okay? And another statistics that's interesting is 55% of sellers are able to create a fully functioning business account within 3 months. So, this is our challenge, no? Within 3 months of selling, of buying or completing your application, we can successfully have a business. Okay? It means andyan na yung selling, andyan na yung pagbebenta, pag-account creation, andyan na yung pag-complete ng requirements. Within 3 months, pwedeng-pwede na, posible na magkaroon ka na ng account with Amazon in completion, ha? Tapos, pwedeng-pwede na nakahanap na tayo ng produktong ibebenta at nakapag-launch ka na, nakapagbenta ka na ng items kay Amazon. So, ibig sabihin, itong statistics na to, it would apply to anyone that is interested to become an Amazon seller. So, we have a statistics of 55% of sellers are able to create a fully functioning business with them within 3 months. Okay? So at the end of this workshop, you're gonna be learning more about how to become an Amazon seller. Sino yung mga interesado na they've been thinking about it for so long na ano kaya kung itatry ko ang Amazon selling? Or baka na-try ko na rin kasi ang Shopee and Lazada. Sino yung mga naging ganon? Sino yung mga Shopee, Lazada sellers muna dito? Okay, let me know kung may mga ganon sa mga viewers natin ngayon. Okay, very good. Hi Arvin. Sige, mga nag-raise ng hands. Thank you. Oo. So another thing that we will know more about this at the end of this workshop, you're gonna have a basic knowledge to run your Amazon business and how to successfully open an Amazon account and finding profitable products. Tama yun. Yung finding profitable products, meron akong actual sample ng dalawang products ngayon eh. Dalawang produkto na i-analyze natin kung saan natin kukunin yung produkto na 'to, paano natin nahanap, anong distributor, ano ang magiging profit margin natin, at paano orderin yon, okay? With my slides, okay? And last one, paano na ayun, contacting wholesale suppliers that are reliable and trusted, okay? So, with that, let me introduce myself, okay? If I have your permission, if you can see all the pictures, no, sa slides ko, this is me when I started Amazon, okay? So, hindi siya, it's not glamorous. And then ako ay isang physical therapist. You can see me on the next screen as well, just giving you a background of what I'm doing, I did when I started Amazon. So, as you can see, ito yung garahe namin na punong-puno ng boxes ng Amazon. At ito naman sa kaliwa, habang ako ay isang empleyado din, doing part-time job with Amazon is nagfulfill, nagpe-prep, nagpa-package ng mga orders. At sa kanan naman ay aking maraming iba't ibang produkto ng mga items na kailangan ko ibenta. Ito yung office room namin. Okay? So, ito naman, ako ay isang nag nagbubuhat ng mga items, no, ng mga produkto. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I'm Ava, and I'm born and raised in the Philippines for 27 years. And I'm from Bicol, and of course, fellow Filipino. And then I came here in Florida, US. That was, I think, almost 20 years ago. That was almost 20 years ago as a physical therapist. As a physical therapist, I came here to work full-time, 9 to 5 job as a physical therapist. But then again, 8 years ago, I've I've come to a conclusion na hindi para sa akin ang pagiging empleyado. Okay? Hindi para sa akin yon, at hindi ko rin pinangarap na maging limited yung income ko. Okay? Hindi ko yon parang, oh my gosh, magre-retire ako na ito yung, alam mo yon, masyadong limited. Gusto ko is financial freedom and flexibility of my time. Kasi noon, nagkaka-baby ko lang, dalawa na yung anak ko, and then of course, I'm limited to my work and then sa bahay. So that was my life. And then I've realized na this is not the life I'm dreaming of. And we only have one shorter life. Okay? Hindi tayo aabot ng 100 years sa earth. For sure. I don't know if there's an exemption, but then again, we have to make up for all those, for all those years that we are here. So that's why I've come to realize that I wanna do, why I can dito. So I've decided na magnegosyo. Anyone that you know right now na successful and then billionaires have their own businesses, 'di ba? Bigyan niyo ako ng example na kakilala nyo na naging mayaman, sobrang-sobrang yaman, 'di ba? Lahat sila may mga negosyo. So I think it's safe for me to say now we can never really, really reach a millionaire status being an employee. I'm not sure, but that's just my opinion. Tama ba ako? Nag-a-agree ba ang lahat? Nakikita, So, taas ang kamay kung nag-a-agree na we can never really get to have our financial independence and freedom and the flexibility of our time if we're gonna stay an employee for the rest of our lives. Na-imagine nyo ba yon? No? So that was my awakening. So with that, I've started, exploring a lot of businesses online. I've tried Shopify. I've tried print on demand din. Shopify, I was selling children's clothes, children's shoes, and then print on demand, and a lot of things online. And then, during that time, 8 years ago, nakita namin sa YouTube na, oh, pwede palang maging seller sa Amazon. So that's how it came to be. Na, okay, sige, pag-aaralan ko pa 'to, paano pa ako matuto, paano pa ako malaman yung kailangan kong dapat malaman para dito sa business online with Amazon. So, I've attended a lot of seminars, trainings, masterminds. So, that's how I came to be na nagpaturo din ako sa mga mentors, coaches, trainers. So, that's how I started 8 years ago. Katulad nyo ngayon na uma-attend ako virtually every single time na merong opportunity, makita akong invite, okay, attend ako. So, katulad nyo rin na nanonood ngayon, that's how I really started. So with that being said, right now, I'm creating, I've created some courses as well to teach everyone how to be, of course, successful and what I did for my experiences as an Amazon seller. So that's why I'm here with you today, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, teaching you what I have learned throughout the years, 8 years of my selling experience with Amazon. And with this slide, I hope it's gonna give you more confidence, no? It's gonna give you more confidence because this is the actual sales data, okay? Sales revenue of what I have acquired throughout the years of selling on Amazon. It's actually only 4 years with this data, and then I'll show you more. Okay, so but anyway, this is almost $1 million. Pero syempre marami yon throughout the years yan. And then I've accumulated, of course, yung profitability ko of almost 200, I mean, not almost, $201,000. And then account namin to. Nakikita niyo yung sa taas, andyan yung pangalan ng asawa ko, Nat Flores. And account namin to. And dito kami nagsimula. Okay? And makikita nyo, marirealize nyo na maraming ways of selling in Amazon. Okay, explain ko rin yan later for the slides. But then again, I started with wholesale. Nag-start talaga ako with wholesale business model. And that's why I'm teaching, I'm very confident, no? I'm very excited to teach you where I have started with my Amazon selling experience. Okay? So I hope it gives you more motivation with this one. And ito naman, ito ang I'm so proud to share sa aking screen ang mga students namin. Okay? Ito yung mga screenshots ng mga actual students namin na nagbenta, okay, sa Amazon. Nagbebenta sa Amazon. So that's how they became, how it started with them as well. And it can also be applicable to you if, you decide with that one. Oh, and consistency is the key, of course. And then this one, ito, isa naming estudyante din, he started wholesale. And then ang kagandahan kasi sa wholesale is maramihan siya, 'di ba? Maramihang produkto siya. Bibili tayo ng maramihang produkto sa isang supplier. And then pagdating sa Amazon, may posibilidad na isang araw marami yung mabenta. Actual student namin 'to, ha. Coach Jelay, student namin 'to. So, ito yung magandang example na parang it can really inspire us. So, going back, kaya siya naging maraming produkto na benta sa isang araw kasi nga wholesale. So, ibig sabihin marami siyang stocks ng produkto sa Amazon warehouse. So, in just one day, 23 units kaagad yung benta niya sa isang araw. Okay? So, sino yung hindi ma-excite dyan at magiging proud? So, before that, give me some hands up, no? Na, of course, you're getting excited with the presentation and then you want to learn more about it and giving you what we're doing, explaining to you what we're doing with all all of this. Okay? So give me a raise of hand, everyone. 119 participants. Congratulations. And marami kayo ngayon. And then, of course, we appreciate all of your time right now. Taas ang mga kamay ng mga nakikinig sa akin ngayon. Hi, Mirla. Hi, Jeneline. Yan ang mga nakikita ko ngayon. Okay. 120 participants. Okay, thank you. And going back to my slide, hi, Ethel Gregorio. Okay. So what do we do? What we do is, of course, helping a lot of fellow Filipinos. This is exclusive to fellow Filipinos. This is exclusive for all of us, for all of you watching this one, to help them, okay, exactly copy what I did, okay, or what I'm doing in right now is to become successful in their own business as well. Okay, so we are helping everyone, like everyone, Juan, start their own business with Amazon. Okay, so what we do is, of course, teaching you the exact same method of selling bigger brands worldwide. Okay, yan yung pinaka keyword is worldwide, because not only in the US, we're gonna be sourcing our products or buying our products in the US, we have the potential to source products as well in the Philippines or in Thailand or in UAE, sa mga nakikinig, sa mga taga doon sa UAE, and then anywhere in around the globe, you have the opportunity or the potential of getting the products to Amazon US. Okay? So, matutuwa ka ngayon kung ilagay nyo dun sa amazon.com na website, makikita mo ang daming produkto ng Philippine products. Okay? From Boy Bawang, from Pili Nuts, from bagoong, from dried fish. I don't know if I can share screen, pero mamaya, if we have time, lahat yon nandoon na sa Amazon US. Okay? So, and then, of course, we can also sell those exact products as well as a seller. Okay? So, ayan, more examples of what we can sell in Amazon. So, pwede yung mga sabon, pwede yung toys, pwede yung diapers, cosmetics, lipsticks, Nike shoes, and more of these. Marami kaming, may mga students kami nagbebenta ng barley, ng, ito rin, for this, nagiging wholesale siya. And then, of course, different products, kahit asin, sea salt, gummies, and then, ano to? Thermos yata to, or sprayer. Okay? And then, more supplements or pens. Okay? Because these products, bakit mga bigger brands? Hindi yung mga unknown brands ang mga ibebenta natin. Baka sasabihin mo, bakit mga kilala ko pala yon, or popular brands, or familiar ako doon sa mga pinakita mo, lalo na yung Tide, lalo na yung Pampers, yung Nike, bakit kailangan ibenta natin yun? And pwede ba, legit ba na pwede kaming magbenta nun? Because of course, yung mga popular and fast-selling brands already have a higher consumer demand. So established na yung US consumers, established na yung mga bumibili niyan. So, ibig sabihin, meron ng mga benta yan. Okay? So, gagayahin na natin kung ano ang binibenta ng mga tao at ano yung mga mabibili. Okay? Yun na yung ibibenta rin natin. Gagayahin lang natin. Next is, of course, those are well-known already brands, no? Hindi na natin kailangang i-introduce yung mga produkto na yon, or kailangan pa nating i-push or i-live sell. Hindi, we don't really need it. We have to focus on brands na kilala na sa market. Okay? Next is consumables. Kung makikita mo doon sa slide prior, is consumables siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin na pwedeng bilhin ulit, pwedeng na mga pagkain nauubos at bibili ulit, and replenishables. Okay? So that's why we have to concentrate doon sa mga produkto na yon. ito yung actual inventory namin sa aking seller central account, sa aking Amazon account. Ito yung inventory. Inano ko lang, screenshot ko lang kung ano yung meron ako na items. Okay, sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay, ito yun. Recently, we have been exploring as well yung mga popular brands sa Thailand. So, mga Thai coffee yun. Okay? So, hinagahanap kami ng suppliers, distributors sa all over the world, especially sa Thailand and Philippines. Tapos, dadalhin namin dito. Okay? So, yan. Kaya meron akong inventory or list sa aking account with this one. Okay? Okay. With this, example lang 'to, okay? Example ng ano yung kikitain natin or paano natin malalaman kung ano yung profitability ng isang produkto sa Amazon. Kung anong sinasabi mo, 'di ba? Maraming bumibili, number one e-commerce platform si Amazon, and kahit anong produkto andiyaan, paano ko malalaman kung ano yung magiging profit ko with that, yung net profit, okay? Example lang to, okay? Binili natin to for $5.21. Okay? I'll show you the whole catalog later. Pero ito yung calculator, okay? Ito yung calculator. Merong free Amazon calculator na extension si Amazon. Tama 'yon? Web browser lang siya. Lalagay nyo lang Amazon Calculator FBA. Lalabas na siya para i-compute mo, bago mo bilhin yung produkto, i-compute natin muna kung ano yung magiging net profit. So, nabili natin tong produkto, $5.21. Binibenta siya ni Amazon na $15 kada isang asin. And yung calculator na sinasabi kong libreng calculator ni Amazon, makikita mo na magka-calculate siya na magkano yung net profit. Ilalabas na ni Amazon yung Amazon fees. Kailangan natin bayaran si Amazon kasi siya ang magpapadala kay customer. So with that, makikita mo dito sa screen ko, meron kang net profit na $3.11 kada isang asin, kada isang produkto. So, pag bumili ka, kunyari, ito wholesale, ni-require na, okay, kailangan mong bumili 100 units for this specific item. Okay? Para mabigyan ka ng wholesale price. So, $3.11 times 100 units para makita natin, magkaroon tayo ng actual na idea doon sa kikitain natin sa isang produkto na nakuha natin. Okay? So, calculate nyo ngayon, $3.11, tapos bibili tayo ng 100 units sa supplier, ilan yung potentially earnings natin doon. Okay? Sige. Hintayin natin ang ating mga viewers. Okay. Tingnan nga natin kung may sumagot. Okay, tingnan. All the way sa pinaka... Ayan, dami palang nagtaas
311
ng
daw.
kamay. Ha?
311.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay. 311. Hi, everyone. Genevieve, Malvin, Joms, Jerome. Okay. Alam mo, Jerome, meron akong kaibigan dito din, Jerome Arabit. Oo, kaya nga sabi ko, kilala ko ba to?
Taga saan ba si Jerome Arabit?
Taga saan ba? Ha?
Taga saan ka, Jerome? Taga
Taga...
Florida ba yung friend mong Arabit?
Oo, kapitbahay namin yun eh.
Baka
Oo,
ikaw si
promise. Kinakasab
kapitbahay.
ko, nanonood ba siya dito? Hi, Lovely. Nagsumasagot din si Lovely. Okay. So, going back, si Jerome, Jerome. Going back, okay. So, potentially, meron tayong earnings na $311. Okay? Magkano yan sa pesos? So, yan yung nakikita natin na na-forecast natin na, okay, kung bibili ako nito, Jerome Arabit, oo, Jerome Arabit din. Pakita ko mamaya, friend ko sa Facebook. So, meron tayong $311 na pwedeng kitain, okay? pwedeng kitain dito sa item na to. So, isa pa lang yun na item na nakita natin, ha? So, kung ita-times mo yan sa magkano na ang dollars ngayon? 58 or 56? So, ganun yung makakuha natin, okay, potentially na earnings. So, sa mga produkto. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, kapatid niyo ba? How to sell on Amazon. Ano yung mga requirements, ano ang kailangang malaman, at ano yung pwedeng ihanda natin, and ano yung wholesale na business model ni Amazon. Okay, I've been talking about it for prior, no? I've been talking it every time na wholesale is buying bigger quantities. So, ibig sabihin may minimum requirements na quantity si wholesaler. Okay? So, wholesale business model is, of course, buying in bulk directly from the suppliers, okay? To give you a more, giving you an example siguro para mas ano natin siya, ma-imagine. So, kunyari, magbebenta ako, sa limbawa lang, magbebenta ako sa Shopee or sa Lazada ng mga damit na pajama sets. Okay, pajama sets. Tapos, saan ako bibili? Sa Divisoria ba? Or sa Taytay, kung saan nagtatahi ng maramihan? Kung saan sila, yung supplier ng Divisoria, saan nila kinukuha yung mga pajama sets? Okay? 'Di ba? Dediretso tayo doon sa manufacturer. 'Di ba? Kung saan pwede tayong mabigyan ng wholesale price pero bibili tayo ng madamihan. Tapos ibebenta natin kay Shopee or Lazada. Ganon din si Amazon wholesale. Hahanapin natin kung sino yung gumagawa ng produkto at sino yung nagdi-distribute nun, okay? At sino yung magsusupply sa atin, okay? Para mabigyan tayo ng wholesale price na ibenta kay Amazon. Okay? Malaking difference yun. Malaking price difference yun. At yun ang sinasabi kong opportunity for everyone. Okay? Next, another thing that we have to know about wholesale, selling on wholesale, is we do not create our own products. Hindi po to private label, hindi po to bibili tayo sa Alibaba, hindi po to kukuha ng product sa China. Ito ay isang existing na siya. Okay? Kung ano yung mga nandiyan na at consumables and popular products, yun ang hahanapin natin. Kunyari, magbebenta ako ng likas papaya sa Amazon US. Hahanapin ko kung saan ako makakabili ng likas papaya sa Philippines. Hindi syempre ako bibili sa SM, hindi ako bibili sa Watsons. Hahanapin ko kung sino yung distributor nun or supplier nun para mas maliit yung cost ng actual product, 'di ba? Tapos ibebenta natin kay Amazon on the retail price. Yung difference ng presyo nun sa atin 'yon. Okay? Kita na natin 'yon, kita. Okay? So I hope that mas clear yung Amazon wholesale. So to give you more of a better, perfect illustration, wholesalers, suppliers, distributors, magkakapareho din yan. It can be changed. It can be used interchangeably and synonymously as well. Wholesaler, manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, pare-pareho minsan din yan, no? Ikaw si Amazon seller na nasa gitna, bibilhin mo sa kanilang wholesaler at ibibigay mo kay Amazon for distribution or for selling to your buyers or customers. Okay? Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi ko at iprinamis ko from the very start. Ano yung methods of selling in Amazon? Marami nang I'm sure si Joel narinig niya na to sa amin during the live session sa Thursdays. Merong private label. Kay Amazon to have different ways to sell on Amazon. Private label, wholesale, online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, and drop shipping. Drop shipping, sa drop shipping, of course, this is the fastest way to suspend an account kasi riskiest siya. So we wanna drop it off, okay? Pero some sellers can still get away with drop shipping, but then that's not our focus of our discussion for tonight. So, wag na natin siyang intindihin kasi riskiest siya among all. Next is retail arbitrage. Yun yung pupunta sa local malls, local stores para bumili, mag-scan sa Walmart, yun. Yun ang retail. Pupunta ka doon, tapos pag may nakita kang discount, okay. Tapos makikita mo sa Amazon, binibenta siyang $25 na nakita, kuha mo lang siya ng $10. So, yun yung retail arbitrage. So, online arbitrage, ganun din kay retail, pero lahat lang online. Okay? Yung convenience na, okay, si Walmart website, doon ako bibili, may nakita akong clearance or discount. Tapos tingnan ko nga si Amazon kung ano yung price difference. Ganun siya si online arbitrage. Madaling-madali lang siya gawin. Okay? Next is yung wholesale. Yun yung topic natin for tonight, which is wholesale. Again, buying in bulk and directly from the manufacturers. Yan ang safest, okay? Safest among all of these business models. Bakit? Kasi bibigyan ka ng legitimate invoice, hahanap ka ng legitimate supplier, at si Amazon magiging happy kasi you are an authorized seller of the products. Hindi counterfeited yung produkto mo, hindi ano na, okay, baka diyan mo lang na nakuha yun sa Divisoria or whatever, hindi legit. So, matutuwa si Amazon, and then Amazon is leading towards more, of course, for wholesale because, of course, merong proper invoicing, merong proper resibo, and alam niya na yung pinaka-source of your product is legitimate and authorized na distributor. Okay, na malalaking distributor. Next, in private label naman, is you're launching your own brand. Okay? So, sa'yo yon. But then again, it takes more investment to get into private label. Okay? So, I hope na differentiate ko siya ng maayos for all of you. And for this, I wanna show you ano po ba yung mga mabebenta or mas matataas ang posibilidad na maibenta, anong mga klaseng produkto, anong category. More or less, okay? Groceries kasi nga, lahat kinakain, lahat consumable, replenishable. Kunyari, bumili ako ng milk, bumili ako ng bread, bumili ako ng eggs kay Amazon. Syempre, bibili ulit ako the following week. So, bumili akong peanut butter or likas papaya. Syempre na mauubos at mauubos yan. So, another thing is health, household, and baby care, and beauty and personal care. You would be amazed how many hundreds and millions of US consumers are buying different products of lipsticks. Ako, ang dami kong binibiling mga moisturizer, makeup. So, nako, walang katapusan na consumer products. Okay. So, ito yung one of the distributors is Frontier Co-op. Ito is an authorized, of course, legitimate wholesale distributor in the US. And karamihan ng mga Amazon sellers are buying from this, no? Sa Frontier Co-op. And then online lang siya. Okay? To give you a difference, price difference. Etong sa kaliwa niyo ba yan? Left niyo yan. Yan is yung presyo niya is $6.03 kasi members, kailangan mo mag-sign up. Kailangan ng email. Okay, para mabigyan ka ng wholesale price, and then of course meron silang minimum quantity, pero pag nag-sign up ka for them is makukuha ka ng more reduction of discounts. So $6.03 lang siya, isang item. Okay? Titingnan mo sa kanan kung magkano binibenta ni Amazon yung same product. Okay? So $17.58 siya. Na-follow? Okay, nafa-follow ba ako? So makikita mo na merong price difference sa supplier compared kay Amazon. Okay? Na-follow ako ha? You can always interrupt, okay? Si Joel. Laki ng tubo, tubi. Yan, nakikita. Okay. Tapos, iha-highlight ko yung calculator para mas ma-appreciate nyo kung ano yung profitability ng produkto. Labas na dyan yung shipping, labas na dyan si Amazon fees, labas na yung pag-ship out ni Amazon papunta sa customers nyo. Ito, yung diretso na sa wallet, diretso na sa pocket, diretso na sa bangko nyo. So, kada isang produkto, meron siyang $3.91. Okay? Sa isang produkto na to. Okay? So, ganun din, kung bibili ka ng 100 units to start with, meron kang potential earnings of magkano? $391. Tama? Tama ba ako? Tama ang aking math? Kung bibili ako ng 100 units na produkto, meron akong $3.91 kada isa. Bibili akong 100. Ilan lahat yon? Ayan, si Joms. Joms L. Yes, ma'am. Okay, 391. Tama. Okay, very good. Ang mga active participants and salamat sa mga responses. So yun, isang produkto pa din to. 'Di ba kanina meron na tayong $3 something? Ito pa yon. Okay? And ito yung example natin kaninang Celtic Sea Salt. Papakita ko lang, ito yung actual price catalog nila sa presyo. 'Di ba kanina $5.21. Yan yung binili natin directly from the supplier. Okay? So, what's exciting here and what gets you like, oh my goodness, ang laki ng tubo, sabi nga ni Joms, 'di ba? Sino yung nagsabi nun? Si Joel. That is really exciting, no? Na parang, oh my goodness, ganyan pala magnegosyo. Tama yan, kailangan natin may tutubuin tayo para sa isang negosyo, di ba? We make money, we have to make money. So, other than making money or making dollars, okay, not pesos, we're earning dollars. Aside from it, what is exciting here is you can do this part-time. You really don't have to consume 8 hours of doing the business for this. Okay, part-time. Nung nag-umpisa ako, full-time employee ako, tapos side hustle ko lang yon 3 hours lang kada isang araw. So, natatapos ako ng work 5 o'clock. Tapos, magdi-dinner, and then sa gabi ko gagawin lahat yan. Magpa-product research, magpe-prep, magpa-pack. So, part-time ko yon for the whole, almost, I think for the whole 6 years. Okay? 5 to 6 years. Ginagawa kong side hustle yon. But then again, I have to, give you more of idea. Hindi yon overnight. Syempre, it takes a while to really get there. But then again, I did it for the last 5 years of doing it part-time. And a year and a half ago, I was able to retire from an employee to become a business owner. So I'm no longer a physical therapist. I'm a full-time coach. I'm a full-time CEO. I'm a full-time business owner. And another thing is anywhere in the world, kayang-kaya mong gawin yon. Okay? We have at least 400 plus students in the Philippines or around. Kasi may mga estudyante kami sa Middle East, may estudyante kami sa Italy, may estudyante kami sa Indonesia, estudyante kami sa South Korea and Japan and Canada. Okay? So, anywhere in the world, sabay-sabay natin na mag-join sa pag-explore ng successful business with Amazon. And it doesn't matter if you're young and old, 'di ba? Yung young and old, may mga estudyante kaming college students, may students kami na retirable na siya, and then she's really aiming for, of course, to learn the business para ipamana sa mga apo niya or sa mga anak niya. And then she did very well din. So it doesn't matter your age, 'di ba? Hindi kailangan na very techy or you know about computer or about you have a background with e-commerce. It doesn't really matter. Or meron ka dapat magaling ka magsalita or magbenta. You don't need those, no? Those qualities. So regardless, And of course, minimal capital, and you can do it alone. You don't really have to employ employees. You don't have to have overhead expenses. You don't really have to leave your house to go to an office. So very minimal ang expenses mo, and you can do it on your own with some help. Okay? So, yan. Sinong mga na-excite na dyan at nagtatanong na ng mga recording? Mas ma-appreciate nyo to kung live, di ba? So, para at least na hindi kayo tatama rin pag recording na. Ito, mas okay yung mga ganito. Kaya makinig as much as possible. And more of examples or actual distributors, legitimate distributors where we buy our products. Dito kami bumibili kasi alam namin na it's been there for long, and then Amazon recognizes these distributors. Pag nakita nilang, ay, galing to ng Dollar Days, ay, galing to ng Kihi, ay, galing to ng EE Distribution. So, walang magiging problema kay Amazon. They recognize each and every one here dito sa screen na to. Okay, si Genevieve excited na, ayan, diba? Ang saya pag may kausap ako sa chat. Okay, so taas ang kamay ng mga excited na dyan to, of course, this one, no? And, ayan si Mirla. Siya ang number 1 active person. Ayan, si Jeneline, si Genevieve, si Princess, si Maricho, si Jerome, Tirso, Jenny Lat, Vivian, Alexandria, Maria. Bongga talaga tong group na tong audience na. Ang taas ng energy. Nakakahawa, 'di ba, no? Kasi of course, ang iyong presentation depends highly sa mga audience na nagpa-participate. So, ang galing. So, thank you for that. And we appreciate all of your responses, no? Taas ng energy nyo. Okay. Become an Amazon seller now. As I have promised, of course, paano gawin at ano yung sunod-sunod na pwedeng, saan mag-uumpisa? Ayan, mga daming mga nag-raise na hand. So, unang-una, how to become an Amazon seller, you have to open an Amazon account or tindahan or storefront. Diyan tayo magbebenta. Kailangan mo ng account kay Amazon, okay? And with that, you can start with a free or individual account. You're not forced, you're not mandated, you're not obliged to do a professional for a fee, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan muna 'yon. Okay? I wanna say that. Start with the free account and you can upgrade anytime when you're ready to sell. Habang nag-aaral ka pa, habang pinag-aaralan mo pa kung paano mag-source ng product, or habang inaaral mo kung saan yung suppliers hahanapin, or lahat ng ins and outs of Amazon, habang tinuturuan ka pa, you can apply for a free account. Okay? Yun ang aking suggestion at recommendation sa inyo. Hindi mo kailangang bumili magbayad kay Amazon right away. Free account. Walang bayad yan. You can always upgrade anytime on your journey, anytime in a month, in 1 year, it's okay. Okay? You can always upgrade. Zero expense ng free account, okay? Tapos, next is get permits and licenses. Si Amazon, walang problema. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na hindi mo kailangan ng business permit kay Amazon, hindi mo kailangan ng any requirement. Si Amazon walang requirement ng business permit. Kailangan to with the supplier. Kunyari, si Likas Papaya supplier. Sila ang hihingi sa'yo. If you are a reseller, a certified reseller, okay? Merong tinatawag na resale certificate, okay? Exclusive lang yan sa mga wholesalers sa atin. Yun ang hinihingi ni supplier para malaman na, baka, alam mo yun, saan mo dadalhin itong produkto, kailangan, or sino ka ba, or legit ka ba, or may company ka ba. So, kailangan ng mga supplier. Pero si Amazon, they don't need any of your documentation for the business permit. Okay? Next step is find your profitable products. So, dun sa example na binigay kong distributors, doon tayo maghahanap, doon tayo o-order para mabigyan natin ng supply si Amazon. Pero it's not limited to those distributors. You are more than welcome. Baka may kakilala kayo na, ay, eto distributor to, kakilala ko to, or nagtatrabaho ako dito sa manufacturing company. May mga ganun kaming students eh. So anyway, looking for profitable products, that's the next step. The last one is your suppliers then. Of course, it goes hand in hand, finding profitable products and who supplies those specific products. And last one, ito na yung pinakamadali. Okay? Madaling-madali na to. Shipping to Amazon, creating your shipment, going to Amazon, and the rest is on Amazon. Yun yung kinagandahan ni Amazon. Wala ka nang hahawakang produkto. Si Amazon na ang in charge ng customer service. Si Amazon na in charge magpadala sa buyers mo. Si Amazon na ang magre-reply kung may complaint si seller. Hindi mo na yan sakit ng ulo. Sabihin ni seller, ay ni buyer, bakit delay to? Or bakit ngayon lang to? Or bakit may damage yung box or bakit basag, si Amazon lahat magre-respond doon. And returns, si Amazon din. You don't have to do anything. That's why that's a very great opportunity to become partners, to become sellers with Amazon because 90% of the work, Amazon handles everything. Okay? Ang responsibilidad mo lang is maghanap ng produkto na ibebenta. Yun lang. Okay? Yun. Okay? Sana malinaw yon. Okay. How to sell on Amazon. This is the guide. You can always sign up anytime. Okay? Go to Amazon US, sign up anytime for you. This is for you and then go ahead and do this. It only takes few, less than half hour to sign up and it can be approved any day or right away or few days. It's not gonna take a long time. Basta meron kang proper documentation, and ID, pwedeng-pwede na yon. Okay? So with this one, another success story, di ba? I think this is my store nung pandemic to. Akin to. I think that was June, July of 2019. Okay? Dito yung pinaka-peak. Okay, tama. Ako ang gumawa nito eh. Sa akin yan. So, yun yung pinaka-peak ng sales ko during that time. Kasi lahat online. Pero, I'm saying, of course, yan na rin yung trend. Di ba? I'm not saying that this just happened one day, one time. Hindi. Kasi lahat na bumibili online. But then again, just to give you a glimpse that it actually happened. And it's gonna happen as well. So, during that time, every single day, may benta ako. As in, hindi bumababa ng $600 per day ang benta ko. And then within the month, nagkaroon ako ng $15,000 in profit. Okay? Sa ano yung tinitinda ko? Kahit ano, merong sugar, merong juice, merong lotion, merong conditioner, ano pa ba yon? Ang dami. So, kahit sa ano, vitamin C, kasi ang daming nag-vitamin C nung pandemic, tapos ang daming nagbe-bake. 'Di ba? So ang dami kong flour na nabenta tsaka sugar. So tapos yeast. 'Di ba? Kung nakaka-relate yung mga nag-bake dati nung pandemic. So then again, it happened. It happened and it's gonna happen. So doable siya and it can, we can, I had the experience, so ako confident akong i-share kasi nangyari yon. So that's my success story for this one. Okay? So, ito yung aking katanungan sa lahat. Paano kung ako ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung ginawa ko for that experience sa selling journey ko with Amazon, and you can start earning dollars right now. Okay? Sino yung mga excited to do that on your own too? Walang excuses, walang alibis na, I don't have, there's none, you're just limiting yourself. But for you, I'm giving you the exact opportunity that you have been waiting for for a lot, I can feel that because ganun din naman ako, no? Pero for me, ang nagmamatter nun is I want my financial independence. I want my flexibility. I have my freedom of time sa mga anak ko. So I decided, I took an action, 'di ba? Na parang hindi gagawin ko to and I'll make it work. So, sino yung excited na pag may nagturo sa inyo, sabihin ko, oh, sige, turuan kita niyan, gawin mo yung ginawa ko, and then, you can be better than me, but then again, at least you know that I did that, and then yung potential na pwede mo rin gawin for you. Sino yung nagkaroon ng excitement dyan? Ayan, ang dami yung responses ha, bongga. Go tayo dyan. Okay, ayan, ang bongga-bongga ng mga nakikita ko kayo lahat, promise. Nakikita ko yung mga raise ng hands. Oo. So, with that, I want to introduce at this point, okay, ayan, si Cristel, si Paulo. So excited to know. Okay, thank you. And that gives me some excitement too, no? Kasi ako din noon, oh my gosh, okay, I'm in. I want to do this. So at this point in time, I want to introduce our mentorship program. Okay, our mentorship program that would give you more, that gives you more excitement kasi nga create namin to for the hope of exclusivity for the fellow Filipinos na kayang-kaya nyong gawin din yon. Okay? Promise. So, introducing Wholesale Profit Accelerator. So, we wanna fast track kasi it means that you're gonna be avoiding the same mistakes or we wanna minimize errors and mistakes. I'm not saying that you're not gonna have zero mistakes. I'm saying you're gonna have fast tracking your Amazon success with if someone's gonna teach you the same way na okay, shortcut na to, shortcut na parang oh sige, paano mo ba ginawa yan? Wag para mabilis ko ng pag-aralan yan. Hindi na ako magko-consume ng oras, panahon, magmanonood araw-araw sa YouTube kung paano or baka masayang yung isang taon ko wala pa akong natututunan or yung cost of opportunity na ito na nga yun eh, 'di ba? Parang bakit pa ako maghihintay? So, I'm giving you right now Wholesale Profit Accelerator, introducing you. And then, here's what you're gonna get. Okay? Bonuses and bonuses and bonuses. And then with this Wholesale Profit Accelerator, you're gonna have 1 year or 12 months access to pre-recorded videos. So we have, I think, more than 320 hours plus of pre-recorded videos focusing on traditional and advanced wholesale. So, yan. So, ibig sabihin, you have, of course, 12 months na pag-aaralan. But I'm not saying kailangan mo maghintay ng 12 months para mag-launch ng product, ha? Ang challenge is within 3 months, you are able to sell your products in your store. Okay? Completed na yung may account ka na, meron ka ng business license, nakapag-establish ka na ng suppliers. So, yan ang aking challenge. But then again, you have more than, the 3 months of getting into it and then the support of the community as well. Okay? That's what I'm saying. Exclusive community right now, meron kaming 400 plus na estudyante sa loob ng community that would support you as well. Masasama kayo doon. And then, of course, meron kaming exclusive group chat na sa lahat ng students. Okay? Kunyari, ito yung stage mo, meron kang specific group chat, may tanong ka dito, kung paano i-launch yung item mo. So, merong exclusive group chat yan. Okay? And, okay, ito yung matindi. Ito yung kung ano yung ginagamit naming email, okay, kahit sa akin, okay, yung ginamit ko for the longest time na proven effective naman siya kasi I've been testing a lot for emails. Ano yung responses ng suppliers, ano yung para maging positive ang response. So, kung ano yung ginagamit ko noon, you gonna see it. Okay? You are more than welcome to tweak or modify or even better yung email template. Kung ano yung sinabi ko kay supplier na, hey, this is Ava from PF Sourcing Solutions and I'm interested and I've noticed your product na it's not, this is your product and then I've noticed that we can do more with that. And then I can give you more information or value for your product, or I want to become a wholesaler and then I'm willing to buy 100 units right now. So those things na it had worked for me, I can share, I'm sharing it with you. Okay? Sa mga students, alam naman nila, open naman yon. And then, of course, another thing, it's yung mga template ng pag-order namin, yung spreadsheet na ginagamit namin na matatrack mo siya, or order tracker and template, para magkaano din yun sa isang spreadsheet, kung paano natin malalaman kung ano yung profitability, anong supplier, anong phone number, contact information, anong website, paano gawin yan. So, makikita niyo yun. I wanna, I wanna share it with you, with everyone. Next is yung ungating database. Ito yung pinaka malupit kasi nga, I think a lot of you would realize too, not all beginners can right away sell everything on Amazon. You have to go through verification, application, selling application. So, yung ungating na sinasabi ni Amazon is, kailangan bumili ka ng ganitong items para ma-allow kita or ma-unrestrict kita para magbenta. Halimbawa, Nike. Hindi lahat ng 1 million sellers would get approved to sell Nike just like that. So may pagdadaanan kang proseso na ito yung sabihin, bumili ka nitong 10 Nike, tapos patingin ng invoice. Okay, di ba? So that's a win-win for us. So ibig sabihin, kung may competitor ka na, kunyari si Jessa, bumili lang sa Divisoria, walang invoice, proper invoice, unfair yun sa'yo na kumuha ka sa legitimate distributor. Paano kung si Jessa bumili sa Divisoria na counterfeited? So, hindi i-allow yun ni Amazon. So, win-win for you na meron kang papakitang legitimate na invoice, di ba? So, that's what we call ungating database. Tuturuan ka namin kung saan mo kukunin yung resibo or invoice na yon para properly recognize siya ni Amazon. And another good thing is we are sharing list of brands to avoid. Kasi nga, 'di ba, yung mga kunyari, may mga specific products na ayaw ni Amazon din. Okay? So we wanna share para maiwasan mo na 'yon. And then hindi na masayang yung oras mo na ay hindi pala pwede to, or si Clinique tsaka si Maybelline for example, hindi pala pwede to open to all. So, at least alam mo na kung ano yung major brands to avoid. Si Clinique, si Maybelline, tsaka si Revlon. Okay? Ayaw na ni Amazon magpa-open sa resellers. So, Clinique, and then I can understand, parang Louis Vuitton. Hindi naman open siya for other people to resell, di ba? So, if it's a major brand, we're gonna respect them. Okay? Clinique, Maybelline, and Revlon. Okay? Hindi yan inaalaw ni Amazon for so at least alam mo na, ito, titingnan ko tong guide. Okay? So, di ba? Mas exciting siya. So, another, of course, what you're gonna get is one-on-one coaching with us. Okay? We are 3 coaches inside the community. Coach K, Coach Josh, Coach me. Coach me. So what you're gonna get inside is we have, doing one-on-one. So aside from group mastermind calls every Thursday, we have that every single week. We have a separate one-on-one coaching call. So you can feel, of course, valued. Of course, we are valued. You're gonna feel more yung privacy ba? Yung parang, may gusto kang medyo ayaw mo ma-share yung question mo or nahiya kang itanong or hindi ka komportable na marinig yung ano. So, yan. So, yan ang opportunity na kaming tatlo lang yung makakaharap mo. So, we're doing that with the students, okay? Exclusively for our students, okay? And eto si Coach Josh, every single day, every single day is meron siyang live, okay? 30 minutes live sa community namin. So anyone can join, students can join with him, and he is the wholesale expert. He's been doing that for his clients as well for at least 6 years. He is instrumental ba? He was instrumental in becoming, the accounts client or the clients become successful because of Coach Josh. And then he is one of our coaches inside the community. Okay? And sino hindi pa tayo natapos sa bonuses. So every week, every Thursday, meron binibigay si Coach Josh na free product lead. Ibig sabihin, siya na yung nag-research ng produkto, siya na yung nag-calculate ng profitability, siya na yung naghanap ng supplier, siya na yung nag-organize sa template, at ready na yon bilhin. So every week yon may isang produkto na ibibigay doon lang sa umattend ha. So mga naka-miss, sorry for that. But of course, that's why we invite them, we encourage them to show up every Thursday. So yun ang aming bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is list of 100 distributors in the US. So ibig sabihin, meron na kaming templated na distributors na tested, vetted, and reliable, and authorized, and trusted na namin yon. And these are, welcome to everyone na free siya na template. Distributor list in the US. Okay? It varies from beauty care, food products, and toys. Meron din siyang toys and electronics. And what else? Kitchen and outdoors. Yan ang mga nandiyan sa distributor list na pwede mong umpisahan. So, masasawa ka sa distributor sa US na parang ang dami-dami. Okay? Ang magiging challenge nga dyan is hindi ka mawawalan ng distributors or hindi ka mawawalan or mauubusan ng produkto. Hindi siya magiging saturated. I'm telling you, coming from my experience of 8 years, ang magiging challenge is mauubusan ka ng mabibilhin na. Ang dami kasi. Kunyari sabihin natin, 100 units. Okay, meron na akong pera dito. Isang produkto pa lang yon. So, ang dami-dami pang produktong pwedeng-pwede for you. So, hindi ka mauubusan ng distributors and produkto. So, bonus number 3 is you are eligible of the free services for a prep center or a three-party logistics. I own some warehouses in the US. That's how I ventured out. Yun ang aking naging success story then starting from an Amazon seller and still is. And then I'm managing some warehouses na in the US for Amazon sellers alike. So, nag-umpisa akong Amazon seller tapos ang dami ko kakilalang Amazon seller. Sabi ko, sige, kami na magpe-prep, magpapack. Especially yung mga clients na outside the US. May mga Pakistani kami, Indians, Chinese, na mga kliyente ha, tapos may UK clients kami. So, hindi nila ma-manage dito yung inventory. So, kailangan ng third-party service na mag-i-in-charge ng inspection, receiving, returns. So, magandang meron kang partner na prep center. So, eligible ka na libre for the first 50 units of your products. Okay? Okay, bonus number 4, hindi natapos ang ating bonus, exclusive partnership with LBC. Meron kaming, it started I think almost 2 years na partners kami ng LBC with international shipping. Okay, courier here. And we have discounts. Kahit saan kang country, we can provide LBC services for you. Kunyari, may papadala ka from the Philippines or from Thailand or sa Middle East, we have LBC to give us deeper discounts for our shipment. Okay, so it would act like a freight forwarder for international shipment. Okay? And number 5, okay, launch your products. This is my challenge again and again and again. Launch your product in 3 months upon joining and enjoy extra 3 months of community support. So, ibig sabihin, pag nakapagbenta ka within 3 months, bibigyan ka pa namin ng additional 3 months. So, yung 12 months mo, magiging 15 months. Okay? So, sino yung excited na ang tagal din nun na may community support ka? Ibig sabihin, makakapag one-on-one ka pa sa amin na Coach K, Coach Josh, ako, anytime within that time frame. Okay? Sino yung mga excited na dyan? Parang, oh gosh, ang daming bonuses. Okay? So, with that, ayan. So, how much does it cost for me to learn all of this? And of course, to get all the opportunity to be launching my own business in the US. And paano ba yan umpisahan? So it would start on you taking action for today and giving you the opportunity to become one of our students in Wholesale Profit Massive Wholesale Profit Accelerator and giving you 150,000 pesos, hindi dollars, the total price of which, but then exclusive for the students right now, for all of you potential students, it's gonna be half the price. Okay? Tama, no? Kasi hanggang ngayon, you're very, you have joined me, you have stayed during the whole duration. And of course, with that, we are offering, this is the relaunching promo discount. We are offering for just for you, a discount. Okay, 10% off upon checkout. But then again, since you are all special and you have become active participants, and we appreciate all of your responses. Salamat doon. We are giving you, okay, an irresistible offer. Okay, 50% off. Okay, 50% off just for tonight, just for today. So grab and get it. And with that, 27,449 installments are available through Bill Ease. And if you have questions about Bill Ease, we're gonna open the floor for Amaze Nation team for that. But then again, this is an irresistible offer for all of us, for all of you. Just put in 50 off for the discount code 27,449 for the whole duration of 12 months. With that said, thank you so much. This is the QR code. We're gonna open the floor on your questions. You can unmute and then we can answer it with that. Okay, sige, go. And thank you and for, being your host for tonight. We appreciate everyone who showed up and I'm looking forward to our upcoming students. Our enrollment starts now and it's gonna start our orientation would start next week, Thursday. Okay, so with that, today is Friday. It's gonna start introducing or welcoming you in on Thursday night 8 o'clock Manila time. Okay, so I hope we would see you there. And I hope it's gonna, looking forward to another exciting business opportunity, business venture online with Amazon US. Okay, so I hope I gave you your the services that you deserve for tonight and being an active participant. Okay, so Coach Jalai and Coach Angelica, go. And then, oh, okay, ang daming questions. Okay, I'm gonna, Coach Jalai,
Hmm.
pa-unmute na rin siguro kung taas ang kamay kung sino may
Yeah.
question.
Wait lang, wait. I-lower hand ko muna silang lahat.
Hello,
Oo.
sabi ni Lilia, I'm in the office. Can you reserve slot for me? I will enroll tomorrow when I get home. Okay. Okay, thank
Sino
you,
daw siya?
Lilia.
Ano na
Just
lang, pa-note na lang, Angel.
Oo, si Angel andyan. And then, ayan, don't forget ha, yung code na 50 off, okay? 50% off. And then si RA, si Rose, is of course, she gave us the link. Can you click the link and then it's gonna go through doon sa enrollment. Okay, si Jessa nag-raise ng hand. Jessa, go ahead.
Po, Coach. Good morning po dyan sa US. Tanong ko lang po, Coach Boy, yung sa LLC,
Sige,
Sige.
hello po.
tuloy mo lang.
Yung sa LLC po, di ba kailangan yun sa wholesale na ano?
Correct. Correct.
Magkano kaya yun, Coach? Iga-guide niyo rin po ba yung, iga-guide niyo po ba kami rin sa ano, sa LLC?
Correct. Lahat yun, Jessa, lahat ng processes and then application process and step by step, lahat yun, from opening accounts, from obtaining LLCs, obtaining resale
Mm-hmm.
certificate, finding suppliers, and then shipping your items to Amazon, lahat yon i-guide namin yon. So to give you a perfect example, if you decide, kasi depende sa state, Jessa, kung saan mo gustong mag-establish ng business mo. Dito, to give you a better ang 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 ano nila option, ang choices nila lagi Delaware, Texas and Florida kasi yan yung mga friendlier states na
Mm.
para sa LLC. Kahit si Elon Musk, he lives
Uh-huh.
before Texas, he lives in California and his business is stationed in California. But then again,
Uh-huh.
even though you live in California, you have the option to establish your LLC anywhere in the US. It doesn't have to be where you live. So is Elon
Mm-hmm.
Musk, niregister niya sa Delaware. Okay? So for some reason, because of course, hindi complicated,
Uh-huh.
tapos very friendly state siya, and then for business owners, Delaware. Okay? That is something you can of course explore. But then Florida is a great option as well. For one,
Mm-hmm.
dito kasi ako nakatira, mas matututukan ko 'yon. And then alam na
Mm-hmm.
alam ko kung paano. So for
Mm-hmm.
Florida, $120 for the whole year. Okay? And
Per year
online
ang
lang siya, Jessa.
per year lang yun. Per year
Oo.
ang ano
Oo.
yun, Coach?
Oo. Correct.
Pwede ba yung ano, Coach, dalawa kami ng partner ko? Yung
Mm-mm. Mas maganda,
ano sa
mas magandang partnership, Jessa.
um
We
okay.
would encourage partnership, okay? So we
Mm,
would encourage, okay, kung may husband, wife, boyfriend,
boyfriend.
girlfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, basta, basta may forever. At least sa LLC may forever. So anyway, Jessa, tama yon. So
Mhm.
tapos yung resale certificate, libre lang yon. EIN, libre lang yon. So ang
Oo.
babayaran mo lang is yung LLC and then that would give you $120 for the whole year. And every
Uh-huh.
year, nire-renew siya, Jessa.
Per
So,
year,
online
same
lahat
price
yun.
din. Uh-uh.
Ha?
Same price din yun sa Coach.
Sa Florida yon yung 120.
Sa Florida.
Oo. Oo.
Okay.
Tapos, online lang yon, 'di ba? Online tapos
Mm-mm.
hindi mo kailangan na pumunta dito or whatever. Lahat yon application online lang yon, Jessa.
Oo. What if, Coach, ay, never mind the Coach. Ano, Coach, yung sa 12 months na access sa course, Coach ba? What if gusto namin mag-extend kasi ano, kailangan pa namin ng continuation na learnings. Kasi sa sobrang busy, ganun, Coach ba? Baka lagpas na ng 12 months, yung hindi pa namin na ano ba na, anong tawag doon eh?
Na perfect.
Marirenew ba? Oo. Pwede ba yung
Oo.
ma-renew, Coach?
Oo,
Or
pwedeng
ano?
ma-renew, Jessa. Coach Jalay.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
Mm, tama.
Mhm.
Renewable naman siya,
Ah,
Jessa. Don't worry about it. And then, we wanna make sure na hindi ka abot ng isang taon din.
oo.
Kailangan i-pressure ka namin magbenta ka agad, Jessa.
Oo. Kasi, Coach, kulang kasi ako sa ano, Coach, sa requirements. Hindi magkatugma yung address ko sa passport ko, tsaka yung sa bank account ko.
Walang
Yun, nag,
walang address ang passport, 'di ba?
u,
Nasaan ka ba?
kasi,
Philippine passport ba 'yan?
oo, Philippine passport.
O wala
Um,
silang address do'n?
kasi naka-enroll ako sa ano, Coach, sa FAM. Hindi
Mm.
ako makaano kasi nahirapan ako sa pag-ano ng seller account. Eh, kailangan daw magkatugma yung sa passport ko na address tsaka yung sa bank statement ko. Doon ako nahirapan talaga eh.
Pero nasa Pilipinas ka? Anong sabi ni Coach Jam?
Sabi niya kailangan magkatugma daw. Doon ako namumblema talaga eh. Hanggang ngayon wala talaga. Kaya naisip-isip ko, dito muna ako sa ano. Ha?
Sa wholesale.
Oo, dito muna ako sa wholesale kasi yun nga sabi ni Coach Ava, mas maganda magsimula daw dito. So, which is totoo naman na ano ko kasi nagtitingin-tingin din ako sa mga YouTube ba.
Mm.
Ito, oo, tapos yung ano ko kasi willing naman ako sa ano private label ang risk ko lang is baka ano so gusto ko lang kaya dito ako sa wholesale kasi at least unti-unting ma-establish yung account ba na seller account kaya yun.
Oo. Pero ano yung ano sa'yo ni Coach Jam? Ano yung workaround na binigay sa'yo ni Coach Jam for ASC na ano, na ma-complete mo yung sign up?
Uy,
Nagpunta
oo
ka ba
yung
sa bangko or nagpa-change address ka ba sa bangko? Nagawa mo na
hindi
yon?
hindi pa coach kasi nandito pa ako sa ibang bansa coach
Nasaan
pero
ka?
sa Israel.
Nasa Israel.
Mm.
Ah, paano ba yung ginawa ko dati? Kasi sa Taiwan ako noon,
Mm.
tumawag ako ng BDO.
Oh,
Tapos, oo, nag-ask lang sila ng, ano ba yun, yung power of attorney kineme na
oh,
meron kang representative asking ng mga changes nung personal info mo sa bank.
oo.
So, yun. Kung hindi yun nabigay sa'yo ni Coach Jam, you can try that one. Fam din
Okay.
ako. So, fam din ako.
Oo.
Ayun din yung naging problem ko before yung
Mm.
sa address. Yeah.
So kung mag-enroll ako dito, coach, tutulungan niyo ako paano, anong anuhin, yung about
Yeah,
sa
oo.
slash,
Yeah.
ah,
Mhm.
sige, sige ko.
Yeah. Mm.
Um, um, may dagdag pa akong question, coach.
Sure.
Sige, go
Um,
lang.
um, aside from Amazon, pwede ba kami makabenta sa other platform?
Aside from Amazon, ano sabi? Aside from
Sa iba,
Amazon,
sa eBay, baka pwede
Oo,
sila.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you can open
Oo,
your
sige, sige.
seller account sa ibang platforms. Pero hindi siya part. Si Coach
oo.
Aba.
Oo.
Oo. So,
Okay, okay.
pwedeng-pwede yon sa mga returns mo. Kunyari lang, ha? It
Oo,
gets,
oo.
you have returns na hindi na sellable kay Amazon kasi na-open for some reason lang. So, yun yung
Mm,
mga instances na binibenta namin siya sa eBay,
mm,
binibenta namin
mm.
siya sa Facebook Marketplace just to recover your cost. So,
Oo,
those are
oo.
your options ba? Just to give you
Oo.
an idea na it's not gonna go to waste. And we want to
Mhm.
make sure na of course we are taking care of your money as well din na tapos
Mhm.
Jessa, kung kunyari mag-decide ka, kunyari lang,
Oo, oo.
may sampung item na hindi nabenta, sabihin lang natin na for some reason may return. Pwede
Mm.
natin option mo rin ibalik bayan back sa'yo. May mga ganong estudyante din kung gusto nila ha.
Oh.
Oo
Oo,
ha.
oo. Oo,
Mm-mm.
oo. Oh, walang problema. Okay, coach. Um,
Oo.
yung partners ko sa pag-enroll, yung partners, or family or husband or ano pa, friends. Magkano nga yung coach? Sorry. Then, ito ba
Kasama
yun?
Oo, kasama yun Jessa.
Yung partner mo na, yung 27?
Kasama yun.
Okay. Okay po, coach.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Salamat sa
Ha?
tanong mo, Jessa.
Oo, coach, kasi napatanong talaga ako, coach, kasi nanggigigil ako gusto ko na makastart talaga, kaya lang hindi pa ako nakaano sa Pilipinas. Yung lang yung bank address ko sa bank statement ko, coach ba? Hindi
Sige.
magkatugma. Yun talaga yung problema ko eh.
Oo. S- Anuhin
Pero
natin yan.
hindi mo rin na-try mag-open ng another bank account. Ang
Natry
kailangan
ako.
lang ang
Ah, ah.
kailangan lang kasi dun, yung personal info. Not necessarily naman yung transactions.
Yung ano, coach, tawag doon, coach. Pero sa address, coach, okay lang po ba yun? Kasi sa
Alin?
ano eh, Hindi, no? Kailangan same ng address talaga, no?
Same ng address saan? Mm.
Yung sa, ano mo, passport, tsaka sa bank statement.
Wala
Hello,
kasing
hi. Sorry
walang
I
address
just,
ang ano, eh.
ano lang, same nung niregister mo. Ano yung niregister mo na address? Philippines or Israel?
Philippines po. Gusto ko yung Philippines
Ah,
na ano.
kung
Magkaiba yung
Philippines,
address ko sa Philippines na bank account eh. Hindi yung permanent address ko
basta kung ano yung niregister mo sa Amazon, yun din dapat yung lalabas sa document na sinubmit mo, say Philippines. Kailangan, may bank statement ka na may same address. Kung wala, katulad ng sinabi ni Coach Jel, pwede kang tumawag sa bank mo and ipapa-change. If not, kailangan mo magbukas ng bagong um, bank. Meron namang mga e-banks ngayon.
Mhm.
Hindi naman nila
Puwede
kailangan ng
kang
transaction
Payoneer, mga
actually.
gano'n.
Oo, Payoneer. Pwedeng mga e-banks. Pero ang register, make sure na ang ire-register mong address ay same nung address na nilagay mo doon sa registration mo sa Amazon.
Yep, correct.
Yan. Okay. And more of that, just, we're gonna figure out something din kung just in case, no? Para maging ano ka din, maka-push through doon sa account formation mo. Mm-mm. May katanungan ka pa, Jessa? Ay, mute ba ako? Sorry.
Naririnig kita.
Sorry. Yan si Jessa siguro
ay sila
naka-mute.
sorry. Wala na po coach. Sila na muna coach yung iba para may
Ang
chance.
ang
Okay.
code natin, sorry coach, patanggal nung share screen. Hindi 50 off yung ating coupon code. Ang coupon code natin is WPA50. Yan, pa-unshare muna ng iyong screen. Thank you.
Ano ulit ang code?
WPA50. Si Zelaine, ito yung gamitin mong code Zelaine, WPA50. Tsaka si Alexandra Garcia, WPA50. Yep. Yun. Tapos, meron ditong tanong si, ano yung tanong kanina ni?
How much ang fulfillment service via Fast and Forward later after first 50 free? Hi, Kenneth. Yan. Okay, salamat sa tanong mo. Okay. With that, $1 per unit. After ng 3 items, $1 per unit. Okay? So, I hope nasagot ko ng tama ng yung katanungan mo. Coach Jalay, ano
$1
yung...
$1 per unit. So,
Oo.
50 pesos, mga ganon.
Oo.
Around 50 to 60 pesos, depende. No? Alright, pwede ba mag-sell if beyond or below SRP? If magbabase lang po sa computation ng goods sa calculator app inside Amazon, ano ang magiging difference nyo sa ibang sellers?
Saan yan? Hindi ko nakikita.
John Pineda. Medyo taas.
Hindi ko. Ito, John Pineda. Pwede ba mag-sell if beyond or below SRP? Yung adjustment of price? Oo. Adjustment of price. Okay. So, okay. Yan, that's a very good question, John. And then I appreciate the question kasi it gets me excited. Oo. So yun, gusto ko rin sabihin sa lahat, yan yung kagandahan. Hindi mo kailangan na sumunod kung ano yung presyo ng nandiyan, okay? You can always adjust your pricing, depende kung gusto mong i-lower ng few cents, itaas ng few cents, depende. Kaya para kang makikipaglaro ba? Okay? So, tapos, considering na kailangan mo siyang i-factor in as long as meron kang profit pang matitira. Pero maglalaro ka ng 0.01 cent, 0.02 cent para makipag-compete ka rin sa ibang sellers din. Okay? So that's a very good question. So hindi ka fixed ang presyo mo. Sabihin natin, oh, $20, $20 ka na forever. You can always say 19.75 or 21.10, you can always adjust it anytime. Diyan sa account mo ha, sa Amazon account. Okay, so yan ang kagandahan doon. Magbe-base lang po ba sa computation ng goods sa calculator app? You don't need to, but that's gonna be your basis initially para sa pagsusource. Okay? So yon. And more of that, of course, we're gonna be teaching you how to, effectively price your items. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na ikaw na pinakamababa or ikaw pinakamataas. You have to price it 2% above and beyond your competitors or the dominating seller. Okay? Ayan, sana nasagot ko ng maayos din yon. Okay, any other questions?
Ayan, sa mga may kailangan ng guide for processing your enrollment, so you can message us via Facebook Messenger, no? Amaze Nation po yung aming page sa Facebook, Amaze Nation.
Coach Jalay, may mga nagtatanong ng Bill Is.
Yep. For Bill Is, let me share my screen. Yo. Pwede. Pa-share. Yan. Okay. So, ganito po siya sa checkout page. Kapag na-add nyo na, so don't forget yung coupon code instead of 54, magiging 27 na lang siya. Once you apply the WPA 50, no, enter nyo lang siya dito. Ayan po, WPA 50. Tapos magiging 27 na lang yung total price and then proceed to checkout. And then dito sa checkout, you select lang po ito. Yep. Wait. Yep. Select nyo lang tong bank and other. Andito po si Bill Is natin. Over the counter, meron din tayong over the counter, GCash, tapos meron din tayong debit, credit card, PayPal, GCash payment, tapos eto po, BDO, pwede din yan. Check nyo lang to, then place order. Yeah. Kapag kasi select nyo si Bill Is dito, mariredirect kayo sa www.billis.com. Yan. Tapos, pwede kayo ditong mag-sign up. So, once po nandito kayo sa checkout page namin, nasa na yan? Yan. Kailangan nyo lang copy billing, tapos proceed to payment, choose Bill Is, and then, yan. Dito kayo mariredirect. You can, para lang din siyang home credit or GCash na kailangan ng mga personal details, contact details. Pero, kay Bill Is, upon approval, subject for approval to ha. So, ang lalabas sa inyo dito is yung Amaze Nation, tapos yung price, tapos bibigyan niya kayo ng iba't iba yung offer niya sa inyo for down payment. Yon. Tapos, pwede kayong mamili kung ilang buwan. Yan. Nagets ba? Any question? Nagets po ba yung Bill Is natin?
So, sila ang pipili ng ilang buwan nila gusto
Some
bayaran.
other, depende. Kasi halimbawa kung meron kang good points ba ang tawag doon? Kay Bill Is. Yung iba kasi, yung iba nating students, user talaga sila ng Bill Is. So, maraming offer si Bill Is kapag meron kang good standing point. Credit, ano ba yun? Good credit points. Parang ganon. So,
Credit
depende siya sa
history.
offer. Ngayon, kung bago ka lang, normally, kapag bagong sign up ka kay Bill Is, meron silang preferred month. For example, bibigyan ka nila ng in 6 months dapat matapos mo siya, tapos ito yung magiging installment mo. Sample lang to sample lang siya. Tapos, sasabihin niya sa'yo kung twice a month for 2 months. So, may mga ganyan po si Bilis. Depende. Again, depende yung offer ni Bilis. Yan. Ngayon, kung halimbawa, OFW ka, you wanted to use the Bilis, you can contact your relatives na nandito sa Pilipinas to help you sign up for Bilis. Tapos, pwede nyong gamitin yung inyong payslip. Kung meron kayong payslip, no, ayun yung i-upload dito. Yan.
So,
Any
ganun
question?
lang kadali.
Pero
Mm.
again, subject for approval siya.
Mm-mm.
You can try. There's no harm in trying, no? Yan. Any question pa? Pwede send ulit ng link to buy. Need mag-create ng account sa... Yes po. Yan. Shena, bakit po naka 54K? Ayan, oo. 54K yung kanyang regular price. But this month, we're giving 50% off. This month lang siya, no? Actually, ilang araw lang siya. Pwede, no?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Hello po. May
Sige
question
po.
po.
Sure.
Opo. So,
Sino siya?
ilang araw lang po yung discount na i-offer nyo? Kung bukas po ako mag-enroll, aabot pa po kaya ako?
Lilia. Yes po. Yes po, Lilia.
Abot pa po.
Yeah.
Kasi sa office ako hindi ako maka-access sa desktop. Medyo mahirap pag sa phone
Yep.
kaya tomorrow
Yes.
na lang. Ang work ko baka hindi ako umabot pag back to original price na siya. Hindi naman po kaya.
Just in case, Lilia, hindi gumana yung code, let us know. Mag-message ka lang sa Facebook page.
Oh, dun po sa Amaze Nation?
Yes po, Amaze Nation.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Ayan, welcome to Jerome. Welcome to Wholesale Profit Wholesale Profit Accelerator. Si Jerome.
Jerome
Kapatid
Arabi?
daw, oo, kapatid daw ni Jerome yung nasa Florida.
Hindi nga. Hindi nga.
Yon.
Kaibigan ko yun. Hindi nga.
Yes.
Promise. Kaibigan ko yun. Actually, yung asawa niya, si Colleen, ninang ng anak ko. Imagine that.
O, di ba? Half brother niya daw. Half brother.
Bongga.
Ayan.
Salamat sa pag-attend. Anong name niya? Hindi, syempre, kasi nakikita ko Jerome dito sa
Oo. Ayan. Kailangan ng login to buy. Lahat po ng students namin, kailangan gumawa ng Amaze Nation account dahil papasok kayo, yung information nyo papasok sa aming student database. Yes, kaya kailangan nyo pong mag-register. Yan. And then yung ilalagay nyong email, make sure active ha. Huwag kayo maglalagay ng dami account na email kasi doon ipapadala yung access nyo sa Facebook group, sa Teachable, and everything, all of your access will be sent via email. Okay? Ayan.
May tanong
How to
yata,
enroll
Coach.
ng partner?
Coach Jale, may nagtatanong yata.
Nasaan
May
daw?
nag-unmute.
May nag-unmute.
Ay, hello po.
Alexandra.
Hello po. Clarify ko lang po, yung 27,449 po, until when po yun?
Until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow hanggang midnight po ng...
Yes.
Sige po. Okay po, salamat po.
You're welcome.
welcome.
Nasa Pinas ka naman, ano?
Apo,
Alexandra?
nasa Pilipinas naman po.
Yes, so parehas tayong time zone. Sige. Pwede ba yung 50% next week? Message us Francis Grace, no, sa aming Facebook page. Yan.
Paano daw? Ano yan? May nagtanong dito. Pwede po ba yung 50% next week? Meron siya may tinanong eh. Ano yung paano mag-enroll ng partner? Ayan.
Yes,
Okay. Sagot na pala.
if meron kang ka-partner, yes, message us via Facebook page or nagpa-email ka ba, Angel? Kasi kailangan yung details ng partner nyo.
Naman
Ayan.
po na pinasok sa database natin yung enrollment, i-email po namin sa para kunin yung details ng partner niyo.
Sige. Dahil napakaklaro ng audio. So for those of you na mag-enroll with partners, no? Once na na-verify na yung inyong payment, our admin will email you para hingiin yung information ng inyong partners kasi bibigyan din sila ng access. Bibigyan sila ng teachable access tsaka Facebook group access. Alright?
Si Mirla, Coach Jalay, need din ba umattend ng partner?
Mas maganda, no? Mas maganda. Pero kung halimbawa hindi ka available, dun din papasok yung partner kasi at least meron kang representative, no? Mas maganda kasi kung nakakapagtanong kayo ng real time during the coaching session.
Mm.
Okay?
Paano po kung andito sa UAE po? Paano yung LLC from Francis? Ayan, si Coach K.
Andyan na si Coach K.
Andyan si Coach K na may
Yes,
master
I'm
class
here.
kasi kami.
Welcome!
Welcome sa akin. Patapos na pala, no? Ayan. Pero yes, Francis, ang lahat ng ito ay online application lang. Even for non-US residents, pwede makakuha ng LLC.
Yes. Also,
Si
pwede
Mirla.
din ba kung nasa ibang country? Yes, Mirla. Basta mayroon kang internet kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo ngayon, as long as you have the internet, as long as you have the mobile phone, as long as you have also the laptop, no? You can bring anywhere. Yep.
Yung partner ba ito, Mirla? Yung nasa ibang country ba yun?
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Ayan, nasa ibang, ayan, si Francis.
Meaning po, no need magkaroon ng business registration dito sa UAE.
Oo. Yeah,
Hindi
no,
naman required. Pero actually depende sa'yo. Kasi sa pag sa sign up for an Amazon Seller Central account, pwedeng personal credentials din eh. Pwede ring business credentials. So, ayun.
pero
Pero
hindi siya
hindi
required.
requirement na magkaroon ng business para maging owner ka ng LLC.
Correct. Hindi siya
Ayan,
complicated.
si Miss RA nasa UAE, no? Ayan.
Yes.
Diba?
Hello
All
po
over.
ulit. May tanong lang po ulit din ako.
Sige, go.
Ano po, so, kasi narinig din ako na pwede hanggang next week yung 27,000. Tama po ba? Or
Hindi.
yung
You have to message us kung next week kasi we have to check pa kung available yung code. So, just in case, message us. Pero,
message po.
until tomorrow midnight, available ang coupon code. Yep.
Sige po. Tapos po yung with the partner po, within ngayon lang, yung 30 minutes. Tama po ba? Or
Yes.
kasama na rin?
Within 30 minutes lang siya.
Sige po.
Yes.
Salamat.
Pwede KKB mag-partner.
Ano ibig
Share.
sabihin
Ano
nun?
yan? Share? Ihahatiin nila yung 27.
Bank deposit siguro.
Pwede. So I think pwede siya sa GCash natin and BDO. Pero kailangan mong i-send yung screenshot so that we can check yung ma-verify namin yung payment. Kenneth. Yep. Kung gusto mo hatiin yung 27. 'Di ba? Bibo, no? Negosyante talaga 'to eh.
Hati din sila ng kita.
Oo, dapat ganon, 'di ba?
Sino bang partner ni Kenneth?
Yes.
Uy,
Nice one.
Princess, may question, Coach Jalay.
So for those of you who can't made it until tomorrow night, please message us on our Facebook page, no? So that we can check kung meron pang available na code. Yep. And yun lang. Pero code na lang siya ha. Yung partner is 30 minutes. Ano oras yung 30 minutes? Hanggang alas 10 ba? Yes. Ayan, ongoing ang process payment namin. I would like, sige Joanne, meron ka pang 8 minutes. Meron tayong timer dito eh. Wait. Huwag natin timeran, baka ma-pressure si Joanne. Alright. Sige, hanap na ng partner. Papatungan ko share niya. Wow! Ay, Iba din to mag-offer, negosyante talaga.
May tubo siya agad.
Negosyante. Sino and ano po number sa contact? Ayan, message us po sa Facebook page namin, Amaze Nation.
Si Joel.
Alright.
Coach K, si Joel, di ba yung lagi siyang umaattend ng ng Thursday live? Si Joel Taraya. Di ba na? Kaya
Itong
na,
si Joel, matagal na to nagtatanong eh.
Nice.
Mukhang
Pero
naka
I think, ayan
50%
na,
off pa
done
si
na po sa
Joel,
payment. Ayan, ibig sabihin, pasok na siya.
Wow, welcome to WP.
Ayan. Sige, yan, na-pressure ako saglit. Sige, wait ka namin, Joanne.
so with that, congratulations sa mga enrollees, and we're so happy and so excited to welcome you in. And thank you, of course, sa mga viewers din namin.
Mhm.
And of course, sa Amaze Nation team, and with coaches, with fellow coaches, we're gonna be seeing you next Thursday sa mga students namin. And of course, we are so excited to really teach you and mentor you throughout your success in Amazon US. And then for those of you, keep messaging us, no, para for further guidance. And dito na din natin siguro i-invite sila, Coach Jalay, doon sa ating Facebook, tama ba, Coach Jalay?
Alin?
So, for us, sa continuation din, sa Facebook natin ba, doon sa freelancing and online business.
Yep. For those of you who wanted like to learn more, no, yung mga hindi makaka-process ng enrollment, you can join our public Facebook group, work from home. Wait, let me share my screen. Yep. Wait. So, meron kaming public Facebook group. So, this is for people na nag-iisip pa, para sa akin ba yan? Kaya ko ba yan? And yon. So, you can join us here for more learnings. Ay, asan na siya? Kita na ba? Nakashare na ba ako?
Wala pa.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Yes. So, Work from Home Philippines, Freelancing and Online Business. Yung aming Facebook group. Alright? So, join lang kayo rito. Pero kung enrolled ka, so there's a deeper discussion on how to do wholesale, no? Meron kayong exclusive Facebook group. Yep. Alright? Yan. Walang Paymaya. Meron po. Under po siya ng e-wallet. E-wallet. Super thanks sa mga coaches. Pag di umabot, abang next promo, unplanned po kasi. No problem, Kenneth. Iba, FB page po yan doon sa Amaze Nation. This is a group po. Ang Work from Home Philippines, it's a group. And then yung Amaze Nation, it's a page. So, yep. Yung page namin, ganito po yung itsura ng page namin. Yan. Ito po siya. And then, kapag gusto nyo mag-join sa aming group, ito po siya. Yan. So, right now, we have 1,000 members inside the group na po. And then, may mga checklist na nandito sa ating guides. So, meron tayong mga sinishare dito how to sign up sa Amazon seller account, mga ganon. Tsaka yung iba pang mga tips and tricks para sa Amazon selling and freelancing. Alright, Bing, thank you. Planning my retirement and we'll study this further. Yes, Bing, thank you so much. Pa-share ulit ng FB group. Follow our Facebook page and then dun mo may kita yung aming Facebook group. May coaching din po ba sa Amazon VA? Yes, sa Elite. Shena. Elite. Yan. Alright. So, wala na tayong na-miss na question. And Joanne, wag kang ma-pressure. Sige lang. And also, welcome to our Jerome and Joel. And for those who are still in processing their enrollments, welcome ko na kayo ngayon pa lang. So, yes, And we're excited for you guys, no, this 2025. Yes. Any last message, Coach Aba, Coach K?
And
It's
we will
10 na.
see you Thursday, 8 p.m. Manila time with Coach K and Coach Josh. Okay, so Coach K, any announcements,
Thursday
anything?
sila, no? Thursday yung ano.
Yes, Thursday, 8 p.m. Manila time. Pero, ayan, if you can't attend live naman, we record and then share with you the recording para, ayun, medyo international din yung ating students kasi. So, minsan,
Yes.
conflict, no? Ayan. So, that's one of the advantage naman. You can have a replay and may community naman nasasagot sa inyo anytime. Yun.
At may group chat. Ayun yung ano,
Yes,
no?
may group chat, may
tayo.
meron tayong Facebook group, and you can book your calls then with the coach.
Salamat,
All right.
everyone.
Thank you so much and have a great Friday night. Thanks God. It's Friday. Good
Bye. Have a
night.
good night. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank
Thank
you.
you po.
How the Amazon selling works. All right? All good? Ano pa? Yan. Thank you so much. Paid na po. Jackie, welcome to WPA, Jackie. Ayan. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night. Bye-bye.